Hello everyone and welcome to Berkeley Health channel. Today, we're exploring the flavors of gluten-free holiday dishes. But before we dive into the recipes, I want to share not only delicious ideas but also essential health information. What is celiac disease? It's a chronic intestinal condition, or reaction to gluten, the protein found in wheat, barley, rye, and oats. Symptoms can include abdominal pain, diarrhea, weight loss, fatigue, and skin issues. Before we immerse ourselves in delightful dishes, let's start with a comforting gluten-free mushroom soup perfect for everyone, especially those with celiac disease. Moving on to the main course, baked salmon with herbs. Not only delicious but also rich in healthy omega-3 fatty acids. Now, for a side, colorful cabbage with peas and almonds. A gluten-free alternative that will surprise you with its flavors. And now, dessert, a gluten-free sweet potato pancake. Delicate, sweet, and satisfying. Before we conclude, I want to mention Berkeley Health self-tests. An easy-to-use tool that allows you to monitor your health at home, especially crucial for those with celiac disease or suspected food intolerances. Health is the foundation of our well-being, so it's important to be aware of our bodies. Merry Christmas and happy cooking!